John, I got an idea. Let's go play that golf course right behind us.
All right. Hope it doesn't Waterville on it.
It was miserably raining here just 5 minutes ago. Hopefully it moved through. We're gonna go play Waterville today. It is nice. Most of these clubs are nice enough. They'll provide like shower towels and toiletries and things like that for you and a place to shower. So if you're on the road, not staying the night at one of the courses, you can still get refreshed. I think this is Payne Stewart here. We've got this Pinehurst connection. I'm gonna find out. I gotta read. I'm gonna go to Perplexity and check it out. Okay, John, let's see the putter. Ready? Wow, what was Noah's flood has turned into the best day ever. This is unbelievably good. Pretty amazing. A lot of these courses, the Irish courses, is not, it's old golf that's been updated. So a lot of Americans, Irish-Americans like this course came in the 70s and redid courses. And so, you know, 40, 50 years old is what you're talking about for most of these. All right, we're out here. It's a beautiful day. We're out here with Killian, Bob, John, and me, and off on the first hole. Okay, I get to do this one. Oh, is there a ball? Oh, it's just right by the rake. John decided he's going to the beach, but he's got a putt for birdie. That's a good one. That's good. Go in. Go in. The gentleman with the glasses on and the bronze at the green is Mulcahy, I think is his name. He's one of the gentlemen that funded the course in the 70s for the rebuild that happened like 74 or so. It's very important to the course. About it. What's the mass hole? The 18th century celebration of mass. Oh, it was punishable by death in Ireland, forcing the local population to use the secluded valley in front of this green to hold their services. The original links design called for a green to be placed in this hidden vale. However, local workmen declared the area sacred ground and refused to disturb the site. Wow, cool. Compromise was reached with the green being relocated on the hill overlooking the mass hole. Wow, that is a crazy story. Let him in, let him in. Nice par. It's an amazing setting for a golf hole, for a windy golf hole. Pretty nice up here. that? Is that gonna go in?
Good shot. Great shot, Jen.
Ian, good birdie. Margarita. Guess you get 2 margaritas today. This is me getting John back for 4 birdies. Now I'm gonna video him like looking in the grunge for his ball, which I've been doing all day. Finding balls all over.
Yeah, that's me right there.
All right, cool.
All right, we're gonna improve my life.
Yay. Exactly. What do you think of the course, John and John? Very good.
Great.
We didn't march you around too much
I
today.
talked John into being a member here, so
Yeah, 35 years ago?
yeah.
Nice. Good course. I enjoyed it. This was a lot of fun. Dialed up the weather, I can tell you that.
Yeah, it's a great golf course.
Yeah, super. Of course.
You came here a lot back in the day.
If you like cool trips like this one, smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks.